I think maybe a little aggression in the last 5 overs of our batting, and in the beginning, first 10 overs, the power play of our bowling. I think that's the 10-15 overs where we lost the game. But I think the batting did really well today. I didn't see Mohammad Haris come up. He's an aggressive batsman. Shaheen has been doing very good in the batting, and Nawaz in the bowling. I don't know why we didn't see him. So I think for me, I don't know. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, but that could have made the difference.
आप क्या कहेंगे? पाकिस्तान के फेयरली चांसेस थे, आज अच्छा टारगेट सेट किया था.
I do think अच्छा टारगेट था, लेकिन थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो सकता था. I think बीच में रन रेट हमारा थोड़ा स्लो हो गया था. शुरू में we did a fantastic job. फिर eventually as the overs went on, बीच में थोड़े स्लो हो गए थे. लेकिन yeah, the target was decent. लेकिन शुरू की बॉलिंग के overs
कैप्टनसी आपको लगता है कि उस तरीके से जब स्पिनर्स को बहुत अटैक कर रहे थे इंडिया बैट्समैन, कैप्टनसी अच्छी नहीं है उस टाइम पे?
कह सकते हैं, लेकिन अगेन हमारे लिए कहना आसान है. हम साइड पे बैठ के देख रहे हैं जो उधर है फील्ड पे. आई थिंक हमें इतनी ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट उनको देनी चाहिए कि देयर डिसीजंस शुड बी ट्रस्टेड. Again, they didn't pay it off, so it is.
I think if we have a captain, we have trusted him with the captaincy, so you should trust what he's going to do is the best for the team, right? It's either that or you assess your players better and put them in stressful or pressure situations during the trainings. Again, I'm not a professional.
Obviously,
hopefully a professional soon, but
इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान फाइनल हो रहा है. बांग्लादेश और श्रीलंका को हरा लेगा पाकिस्तान, लग रहा है.
Absolutely. Like, I think we were about to beat India today. Right? It was not an easy game for India. Indians were struggling at a point,
and they lost. Time laga wickets liye, but then they lost them.
Like I don't know how much did Surya Kumar Yadav score today?
0.
So I mean, he's a great batsman, right? But what happened to him today?
Sometimes
I
he's
think
a great batsman.
the only thing I would say is keep the politics out of away from sports. It's sports. We don't want.
आज फिर हैंडशेक्स नहीं किए, एक अच्छा मैसेज नहीं जा रहा है एक्सपोर्टिंग फील्ड से.
It's not, and I really think hard चीज politics की भी there's a right time and there's a right place. That's not a cricket field. इस तरह की फील्ड है तो battlefield से बहुत जिनका हम भी mention कर सकते हैं. But I think we should really strictly keep politics away and out of this and play with spirit, play with the heart. And India played better, so they won. We're not going to deny that. But at the end of the day, if you're going to bring politics and turn this game into a filthy, dirty game with no sportsmanship, then that's not what we respect. Definitely not. It's not sending a good message to people watching worldwide. Kids are watching, adults are watching. It's not a good message to be sending.
Yeah, I mean, in UAE, for example, or in the Gulf, Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Sri Lankans, they all live together, they work together, they play together. So, I mean, yeah, politics is there. Let that be between the governments, between the armies. Keep that away from sports. Sports is a very clean place and peaceful place. Like, it's been used to spread peace. I come in supporting cricket, not Pakistan or India. But when we came in, I was actually wearing an Indian shirt when I came in, but I saw the behavior of the Indians was pretty, off. It was unnecessary, and then I just, changed it.
You changed it to the right colors.
So अभिषेक की इनिंग्स आपको कैसी लगी?
Definitely, like I would say he's great. शुरू में जब उसने ड्रॉप किए तो हम बड़ा एंजॉय करे थे उनके ड्रॉप्स को, but he came back, उसने ड्रॉप्स का भी जवाब दिया. How many catches he dropped?
2 catches. Abhishek dropped 2 catches. India 4 catches.
I think तकरीबन almost 6 हो गए थे अगर हम जरा एग्जैजरेट थोड़ा कर लें.